I'm going to talk about what if degrees stops mattering. A lot of you guys might be wondering, like, why? Because in India, everyone's, a student when he gets into the school, he gets into the college, and when he gets into the college, he gets a job, right? He spends, I guess, like 20, 30 years of his life taking a degree. But what if degrees would stop mattering? So a lot of people might think it is something Shetty he might be talking about, but what if degree stops mattering? So earlier, the age of qualification. So the age of qualification was very simple. So earlier, success used to follow only one path. That was study. Then after studying, you would get a degree, then job and stability. But what if I would ask everyone if by job, how many people get stability? How many of people get success? And do they really get a success? Now, a lot of you people, I think, everyone has a different meaning of success, what success means for them. But I think that there are like different things of success. So for someone, the mental success, financial might be the success, right? So what if degrees would stop mattering and earlier there were just one path we used to follow, that was study, then get a degree, then job and a stability. But there's nothing like this because nowadays AI has changed everything. AI has changed everything because today people like Raul, people like me, so we have been building a lot of stuffs and we don't have any qualification. We don't have anything, right? And as a qualification, I'm saying, still companies and people have been inviting us to delivering this thing, that stuff about AI. So today there is just one simple thing, and today's age, what earlier success used to follow one path. It was a path, it was a ladder. It was the same as I told earlier. You have to study, then you have to get a job, and that was I told earlier, right? But nowadays it is very different. Now it's not never a ladder, it's a loop. So what's a loop? Like learn, build, share and adapt. So learn fastly how much as you can. So for example, let's suppose I would give you a very practical statement here. So let's suppose there is me as a 15-year-old, I want to build a startup. Okay, I want to build a startup. Let's suppose as a very practical case study. So if I want to build a startup, I would first go and identify a problem statement. So I would be learning. So a very practical example, how I learned AI or the people can learn AI. From the beginning, from the teenagers, I wasn't having any particular friend, any best friend. So I used to talk with AI and that is how I learned AI. Then somewhere into the point I have learned AI. Now let's suppose I want to build something. I want to build my startup. So to build my startup, let's suppose I would understand the problem statement. What are the problems that today's people are facing? It might be lot of people don't understanding, a lot of students don't understand academic concepts, right? So a lot of students don't understand academic concepts. So I have understood this. Now I would build something for this. So I would build an application or I would find a solution which will solve this problem particularly. So now I would build something. After building it, and in today's age, let's suppose I've understood a problem, built a solution, and to build it, it is very easy. Let's suppose I want to build an application solving the same problem. I can use multiple vibe coding platforms, multiple tools that are available, and I can just, take it, learn, build. That is how I learned AI. By talking with the AI, then I built it. I built a startup. I built a product which is capable of selling to the people. Now it comes to the marketing part, that is share. So a lot of people who's everyone is sitting over here. I would just take the particular problem that I have solved, the problem that I'm solving. I would share it with the multiple people out here. And you guys would adapt it, right? It is very as simple as that. So earlier, as I told, success used to be a ladder. But now, is it a ladder? No, right? It is just a loop, right? So that is the thing that AI has changed everything that I showed you earlier. So earlier it used to be a very linear path, as I told you. It used to be very linear path. Because in India especially, if you would see, we know just two job options very commonly. That is becoming a doctor and engineering. So doctor and engineering are very common path that everyone, that is most famous I can say, or that is most of the people go there. But there are lakhs of jobs available because of, AI, as all of people might have mentioned here, AI would take the jobs. But possibly I think somewhere people who are at very basic level, this can get replaced. The people who are very good at this might not get replaced. So Earlier it used to be very linear path. Now it is not a linear path. Now because AI, as I mentioned, AI has changed everything. So dynamic, it is very dynamic. There are multiple things that you can say. People like all the young guys who don't have any qualification. These guys are building something. These guys are like building with the help of AI. So now the path has changed. The path is never that ladder. The path is the loop. The loop is learn, build something, share, and that is what I said as adapt. So again, now earlier as I mentioned, jobs gives the stability, right? Jobs used to be the way of getting stability. But in the same way, now what is the stability? If there is no, I can say there is no value to degrees or anything as such. So the rule of success is unstable now. Earlier the success was getting a job. Now getting a job is still not successful thing. Now what is this? I think personally, everyone has different success. For everyone, the success might be different. In the same way, the path of success has changed. The loop of success has changed somewhere. That is what I think personally. And especially, particularly earlier, qualification was how it's. Let's suppose if I'm going to someone telling ki I know this, I know that. Earlier they used to judge me with my qualification, what I have as my qualification, what is my education, what is my educational background, right? But now it is never the same. It is very, very different. So now I think because of AI somewhere, qualification doesn't mean capability. Then what is qualification? A lot of you guys might be wondering, if the qualification doesn't mean capability, then what is qualification? Simple, right? Then what is qualification? So somewhere I think, again, we'll come back to the point again, that is what exactly the qualification is. But before understanding that, you would understand that how the path has changed. Earlier, if you want to build something, you need to take permission of other guys, lot of things, right? So now it is different. It is like, you don't have to, earlier we used to have the permission as the first step to do. If I want to build, let's suppose I want to build a startup. So earlier, let's suppose I want to build a product. As I mentioned earlier, so I need to have multiple permissions, I need to have that resources. And today resource is just one thing, that is, again, AI. So I can build multiple solutions with the help of that. And again, at the same, earlier I used to take the permission, today I don't need permission. Because I have the initiative. And what is that initiative? That is AI. Like, as I mentioned earlier, like, for a building startup, what we need is product. And the product is just AI that we can use AI to build that. And we can get started directly with the initiation. So that is the thing. Again, so the skills that courage unlocks. Again, now, as I mentioned earlier, what is the qualification? So I think there is no use of qualification today, where the qualification might be very different. In the same way, knowledge. Lot of we people think knowledge is something we get in the school, into our K-12 education, or let's suppose academic education. But knowledge is different, right? Even I'm coming here, I'm interacting with all the people, the guys are teaching me something, even it would be talking with AI or browsing on internet, it is knowledge for me, right? So for everyone knowledge is different, but what I think is just the academics knowledge is not the knowledge. So coming back to the point again, though nowadays, then what is the qualification? The courage is the new qualification. Courage is the new action. So let's suppose, taking example, either you would be an entrepreneur, founder, solopreneur, or anyone. What you have is just one qualification that everyone has, that is courage, right? So I believe today getting a education and being qualified is not the qualification anymore. If you want to build something, if you really want to build something into the age of AI, you just have one qualification, that is your courage. And that everyone has as a born guy, right? So now I would recommend and understand everyone, where are you today? Are you at the observation stage where you can observe yourself while building something, right? Then are you a learner? Being a learner, are you a creator? Are you a leader, right? So understand where are you, purposefully, perfectly. And then I would say, again, as I mentioned earlier, as I mentioned, courage is the new qualification. So learn fast, then build publicly. So as I mentioned, if you want to learn AI, go talk with ChatGPT. You can learn with the AI. You spend 30 minutes of it talking with the ChatGPT. It would tell you very perfectly how exactly you can learn AI. You interact with multiple AI models, that is available, right? And that is how you can learn AI. Then after learning particularly into the AI, you can start building, as I mentioned, understanding a problem statement, building a product out of it, which AI would build it, right? So that thing has so built in public now. Now there are multiple social media platforms. Even AI can create videos till the day. So you can build publicly, you can document yourself, same as I am documenting myself on putting myself out on Instagram, social media. That is how I'm getting the market. So while I'm learning practically with the AI is building my things. While AI is building my things, I'm putting my work out in the world. Either it would be social media or other paths, right? And then I'm sharing boldly with the people. And that is why then I'm adapting it continuously. So it is not like a ladder, but it's like a loop, as I mentioned. So what is the new qualification? Courage is the new qualification that everyone has as a newborn guy. Everyone has. So I would say at the end, what we have is just courage. Because people who doesn't has any qualification are rocking today. Particularly take my friend Raul over here, take my anyone, like especially I have a friend circle where like we are building as a teenager, 14, 15, 16 guys are doing very incredible things. So what we have is qualification is never the barrier, age is never the barrier, because it is the age of AI. So that is what I think, courage is the new qualification. And now the thing is, who am I to tell this so perfectly? I have been going all over India, networking with all the people, talking with all the people from last 5 years, like from past 5 years. I've been collaborating with companies like PhysicsWallah, multiple big companies, and learning from them very practically, building in public. Along with that, I have been doing a lot of things, creating content on Instagram, where like I have close to 100K followers over there. I hope we would, cross 100K as well as soon as possible. And so somewhere coming into this last 4 or 5 years, I have understood that qualification is just one thing that as a courage, which doesn't exist universally. But if you think there's just one qualification that you have got as a born guy, that is your courage. So that was it. Thank you so much. And danke from the new age of era.